You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to fix common issues with the Mail app on your iPhone. If your emails aren't loading, syncing, or showing up properly, here's what you can do. Let's get right into it. First, check your internet connection. The Mail app needs either Wi-Fi or mobile data to sync properly, so make sure you're connected. If your connection is fine, but the app still isn't working, try restarting your iPhone. A quick restart can clear temporary glitches that might be affecting how the Mail app runs. Next, go into your iPhone settings. Tap Mail, then Accounts, and verify that your email account is still active and signed in. If it looks like everything is in place, but messages still aren't syncing, remove the account and re-add it. This refreshes the connection and often fixes sync problems. Also, make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS. Apple often includes bug fixes in updates, and a newer version might solve the issue. Another important setting to check is Fetch New Data. Go into Settings, tap Mail, then Fetch New Data, and make sure it's set to Push or Fetch, depending on your preference. If the Mail app still isn't responding, force close it and reopen. Sometimes a simple refresh can get things working again. And if you're still having trouble after all of that, try resetting your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and select Reset Network Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi and other network-related settings that might be interfering with Mail. Thanks for watching. If this helps solve your iPhone Mail issues, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more iPhone fixes and tips. See you later.